Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Nabon Women's Synod College hene ka sikla rakhi bat palang ye ka annual meet menta kasngi kata kalai potre nei lo aja apwal kapala dap menta la kumba afundrius number ha ka ju ka poru ka ayo ban plat Paitbah ye ka annual college magazine the Reverend P Nyota president governing body Nabon Women's Synod College baru ka apan miru ye ka college website do ba ransom sutanga ha ka ju ka por ruko mokongsan ha ka nikasngi uba ransom setengah badai ukongsan na koneksi ulang bakalong ka basung serang na kabenta jenga na ka jingpenmi ikani ka website jenga college namar larang ko abante BA shipangkani ka college kamtan kamshu banwan cha college bangan chipet na ka website lada ngadan kanu ru banyu iya ka jingdan kam jenga college kalawan raru ka jingsong na kabenta kena school bagi nei kai bagi laban pe iki a ki jingdan kam na ka website
who are studying in this college. I want to remind few things. This college is written here. It's a Christian values we will invite. This college is stress or invite on Christian values. The word of God says, the beginning of the wisdom, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of the wisdom. My dear students, this is very, very important for you. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. I tell you that from my side, as I've said, just in a very short time, I was associated with the college. Only a few months. I came to the college, I saw the college by myself, and we have many things, to do, especially to improve in infrastructure. I was just thinking, to improve college infrastructure, we need to really, work hard. We need to work together. The college and even well-wishers who are supporting the college. Today, I'm happy to see well-wishers like Teman Besar Latang, Banong Port, who have contributed so much for this college. I'm very, very happy. And I wish that, we will mobilize more well-wishers for this college, especially to improve in infrastructure. This college has to have, its own play field. All right? And we will do that through many, many schemes of the government. And not only through government, but we can also do maybe through CSR of different company. We will work together with the GB, and I believe that, I will take this initiative. I'll take this initiative. We will all work together, especially from CSR. You must be knowing this. In our state, we have many companies. We have Star Cement. We have Power Grid. We have Airport Authority of India. We have NHI. Different, ministry, different organization we have in our state. But we fail to capitalize CSR, corporate social responsibility. We will work together with the GB, and I believe, especially, we can improve the infrastructure of the college. Launching this college website today, I believe that many, many students from different states of Northeast and even abroad will be able to see, our college or activities, and this, will really boost, the college. Now, seeing the education system in the state, many people have criticized because maybe during these few years, the government have failed in one way or the other, to improve the education system in the state. And very few schools and colleges have their own college website. And very few schools and colleges we can access to their activities. And in this sector, we really need to improve, especially in the sector of education. Now, last 3 weeks, I was in Kolkata, went for a special meeting with Hitachi, NGRM, support and solutions, especially in education system. To improve the system, especially, to improve for statewide digital education system. We were together, I think since the year 2006 in Synod College, when they appointed me as the engineer of the Synod College in the year 2006. And from that time, Pastor under his leadership, we worked together, and you can see Synod College as it is now. And I believe this is all the grace of God. I believe even Nabon Women's Synod College, though 26 years have passed, but I believe, we will work together to achieve our goals and targets. Now today, launching the college website, as I've said, it's really a proud moment, not only for all of you, but especially for me. Anything I want to know about the college, I will go through this website. It is not necessary for me to come to the college. I will just go to the website. Anywhere I am, I'll be able to know and to see the activities of the college. It will also make easy for students and teachers, to access to different activities of the college. Now, yesterday, you have seen the remark of the Education Minister who came to our state, Mr. Kumar. He appreciated, the government and also the state of Meghalaya. Our state, and especially the capital, Shillong, is still an educational